All right, so let's take a look at an example. So here we have an equation. We're at equilibrium. And then we're going to disturb the equilibrium by increasing the pressure or decreasing the volume. And I'm asking which direction will it go? Right, so go ahead, pause the video and try to answer that yourself. We'll go through it together. All right, so hopefully you pause the video. So first thing we want to take a look at is our equation. 2A as a gas goes to 1B as a gas to 1C as a solid. Remember, we ignore liquids and solids, so we're not going to think about liquids and solids, right? And so there's two kind of ways to do it. One is the logic way. And we know that when we increase the pressure, we go to the sides with less stuff, right? The left has 2 molecules of gas, while the right only has 1 molecule of gas. And so since we're increasing the pressure, we're going to go to the side with less stuff. And so that's towards the products or maybe towards the right. It depends kind of what textbook is asking. Some say towards the products, some say towards the right, left, that kind of thing. It doesn't really matter. And then the second way would do it the kind of math way, right? You can plug in numbers and check. Right, so you know your K here is equal to B over A squared. And then you can just plug in some random numbers. I always just plug in 2 because it works out well. And so then you get 2 over 4, which is equal to 1/2, right? And then you can increase the pressure. Right, and what we'll notice is that the bottom is going to grow faster than the top. So once we do that, then our K will just say that they're both equal to 4, right? Kind of doubling pressure, having volume. We get 4 over 16, which is equal to 1/4, right? Where this is actually Q now, right? We've disturbed the equilibrium. And so now our Q is less than our K, and so our Q needs to grow. And since both Q and K are products over reactants, right? Think if we want to make a number bigger, we have to increase the numerator or decrease the denominator. And the numerator is the products. So we're going to have an increase in the amount of products, right? So either way you do it, it'll lead you to the right way as long as you're kind of doing it correctly.